If only my balls could light up the sky like Jazz's do. What the fuck? What? How? Sugoi so Fally-san. I can make one, but we don't currently have one running. What the fuck? No, you stay in there. Oh, do you want to kill him?
He's
Hold
still
on.
alive.
It's a cow. Daddy needs a DPS boost. Ooh. Right now, it looks like our friends are gonna die.
Damn, my brain can't process this.
Triplets,
All three
yeah.
of them babies is this.
I just knocked that fucking kid over. What? If you throw something at Fally, we can clip it. Oh no. Better not. Why would you throw medicine at me? Bellsprout, the Pornhub Pokemon.
What?
Why do you have a ripped off human face?
I do what I want. We don't talk about this.
I was getting slammed in the face.
I would like that. That sounds pretty good. Can I order one of those? You know what? Just for that. I really do. I really do feel naked. Jazz, I will fuck up an orc. Are you ready? Fuck these orcs. Like this, and then like that, and then and that's how you fuck up an orc. Pokemon big. Pokemon small. Pokemon big. Pokeball throw. Pokemon small. I don't wanna deal with your shit.
Do we have tungsten?
Tungsten?
That's what I said. I know what I said.
I only have one tongue.
Did I fucking ask you?
I've survived this long, so level with me. Just who are you? And what are you? And who are you? And what are you? Mother piece of mother me. All right, is everything working? I think everything's working. Okay. Hi, good morning. How are you doing today? Hi. Good to see you there. Hi. Hi. Hey. You as well. Hi, I see you. You didn't think I did, but you're there. Good morning. Look, I'm having a moment with myself, okay? Us and we together. This is a group. And we're having a conversation. And I don't need any of your sass. Oh my god. Hey Fally, can't stick around. Want to swing by and show some love. Hope you have a great stream. I appreciate that, Pip. You have a great evening as well. I don't know if you're streaming right now. You're clipping that for the new video? I'm not clipping it. You can clip it if you want to. But good morning, everyone. I hope y'all are having a wonderful day. So we've got some stuff that we're gonna do today, and I clicked the wrong button on my stream deck. Can you still hear me? I think you can still hear me. Okay. I'm gonna turn some music on. We're gonna get some, we haven't done this in a little bit, so let's get some, I think I can hear that. Okay, so, we are going to very quickly make a bot that will send messages between YouTube and Twitch chat. So messages that are sent from Twitch are gonna pop up on the YouTube chat, and messages that show up on the YouTube chat are gonna pop up on the Twitch chat. So we're gonna get this set up, and then we're gonna move into GODOT, and we're gonna do some more coding for warrior skills, because we gotta get that set up, which is gonna be exciting. So, we're just, fuck, I hit the button again. Why am I like this? Unmute. I keep muting myself from Discord. Thank you, Casper. That's gonna go, I'm gonna have a good spot for that in the new video. Well, good morning. Thank you, Rainbow. I appreciate that as well. All right, so we're gonna switch over, and let's go into Fally stuff. And we're gonna make 2 new buttons. Cancel. We're gonna change the appearance. This is gonna be Twitch to YouTube chat, and this is gonna be YouTube to Twitch chat. Okay. And Twitch going to YouTube is the one we're gonna do first. So we're going to get a Twitch chat any message. We're going to pull the wildcard, save a variable as message, wildcard number 0, and then we're going to YouTube, send chat message. Channel name is going to be Falinere, and the message is going to be message. So we can go ahead and save that because boom, easy, that's done. Now we're going to do the opposite. This one is going to get a trigger. This is going to be a YouTube chat. Awesome, that'll work. Hold on, go back into that. What was that? Oh yeah, that's fine. And then we're going to pull the wild card. Now this is going to be the fun one that we're going to have to play with because unlike Twitch, YouTube chat has a bad habit of just having messages that are regular message. It may just be like gibberish letters and numbers, but the username is links to pornography websites. So the message isn't an issue, it's the person sending it that's the issue. Thank you for bot check. May want to make sure to include, yeah, this is very preliminary. We're going to clean this up here in just a second. Falinere, and we're going to message. Okay, so let's format these a little bit. So when we take our Twitch chat and we go to YouTube, what we want to do is we want to trigger pull data. We want to pull user underscore, let's do display name. Display underscore name, and we're gonna get name. And this is going to say, this is the YouTube chat. So this is going to say Twitch chat name. Oh, come on. Do like that. And like this. So, and I want to just kind of copy this formatting, save and close, open this up. This is going to say YouTube chat, and let's get a trigger pull. So I don't know what trigger pull for YouTube chat looks like. I guess it would just be this. Yeah, display name. And we're gonna name. Okay, save. Now, let's do some testing. Because this should be working, and we should be sending to YouTube chat. But I don't see anything. Hello there. I'm gonna make a change. When Wolby gets a nice thing, I take it away. Thank you. So Wolby says save the deck, and we got a message to... Fantastic. Okay, so the messages, it is working. And YouTube chat, Falinere said hello there. Fantastic. So it's not like the cleanest, but it is working. It does take a moment. It does take a moment for the YouTube chat to pop over though. Yeah, I do kind of want chat messages that start with a command to not go through. Twitch to YouTube chat. Hey, look. Hellraiser, good morning. Welcome in. Let's do a string position. What's the right command here? Because we only want to look at the very first character. It is string position. Message 0. I guess we could clamp the letter out. Clamping may be better, because then we just check to see what the clamp is. String clamp. Start at position. This should be 0 index. I'm assuming this is 0 indexed. We're gonna take one character. Message Let's do it like this. Exclaim. If exclaim equals this. Sorry, if exclaim is not that, then we want to send it to YouTube. Oh, yeah, we can do an exit if. You're right. You're right. We just do an exit if. I don't think about exit ifs enough. If exclaim equals exclamation mark, that is not an exclamation mark, then we just exit. So let's get rid of this. Save and close, save, and go back in, and I want to check this. So catch, exclaim, that should keep it from moving over there. Okay, so this isn't super great because now YouTube chat is just relayed messages from Twitch, but it exists, it works, it moves stuff back and forth. I know, they think about me all the time, I know. This is YouTube chat. How long is it gonna take for that message to come over? Why didn't my message go through? So Mr. Steele's message came through, but my message, it does take a while, but yours came through first. It did? I don't see it. That's a fair point. It may not listen to my account. That would be interesting. Let's save and go into this one. So I just sent a message. We're gonna see if this updates like it sees it. Okay, yeah, mine works. It just takes a minute. Yeah, YouTube chat is a little more finicky. Okay, so my question is, should I make the YouTube chat message pop a little bit more? Because I feel like it's not visible enough. Like, y'all can see it, but I may not see that because I have a tendency to ignore messages that Falinere Fantasy sends. Should I make it an announcement just to have it pop? I wish it would let my bot do announce colors. That would be awesome. So that's the problem, is I can't see Frankerface in this. Oh, I can do announcement colors through Falinere Fantasy now? I know I can do announcements. Let's do \announce orange space save. How about this question mark? Not like this? You're gonna tell me to use the actual announce. Have to do an API call to get the announce colors? Oh my, I don't want to do that. I don't want to. Save. Button to save, thank you. Post. Come on. I believe in you. Yeah, okay, so there's generic announcement with the yellow that's set to my account. Send announcement. This just precedes probably the message with the announce. Yeah, it's fine. I don't want to do that. Do you want me to make the API commands for you? That would be super helpful. Because I don't know what API, what part of the API we're referencing for it. If you could at least, like, at minimum, send me a picture to give me a heads up on... That is not what I wanted. Give me a heads up. Okay. Yeah, that's fair. Okay. All right. Thank you, Wolby. I appreciate that. I hate to be a burden. Like, you don't have to, but if you're gonna offer, then I'll definitely take you up on it. Okay, so now we have something that sends the messages back and forth. Foul is anything except neat. Y'all know me so well. I would like to get Frankerface incorporated into this separate chat window, but I don't think I can, which is unfortunate. Maybe it's switched to non-mod settings. No. Chat appearance? No, that's not what I want. Okay, yeah, none of that's what I wanted. It might be import this button, copy all commands. Yeah, that'll work. And it's not gonna move the... Okay, good. So whenever the bot sends an announcement, it won't post that in the other chat because it doesn't respond to itself. That's perfect. That's a good question. Let me see. I think it's... Yes, babe? Yes, you are. Oh, yes. What do I want her to cook for dinner? Fried rice. Yeah. So let me see. It would be globals dot don't look. Let me move this over here for a second. Let me just copy the path. Boom. It's that. That's the thingy that you wanted. Okay, so we have a thing. Too much sexy. Yes, I like fried rice. Okay, so we have a thing that sends back and forth. I wouldn't mind some kind of audible notification as well that lets me know that a message was sent from YouTube chat. I'm just trying to keep from not realizing that someone is on the YouTube stream and watching and says something. I don't want to miss it. But now they can also see that y'all are active on the Twitch chat as well, which really helps. Okay, so we've got that set up. Wolby's gonna send me a thing here in a minute, which means yay, we can go ahead and open the GODOT. And let's take a look at Falinere Fantasy. So what we worked on Tuesday was the Provoke Mechanic. So now when we provoke an enemy, it will know who provoked us. Yes? I think I have the answer to that question, Wolby. I think I have the answer on hand. I do not have FalFans. I also don't have the user ID on hand. I would have to do a call for it. I don't have that stored in the in that other place. Yeah. Okay. All right. So, like I said, we worked on getting the Warriors Provoke set up. So there's two things we have to do now. We have to, the first part's very, very easy. That's doing the melee attack for their first hit. It's called Heavy Swing. Let's load this up. So Heavy Swing is just a melee attack. You move into place, you hit them, you gain a stack. It's super easy. The not easy part is the other part of the warrior's passive for their stacking mechanic. So warriors have 2 stacking, I don't want to say mechanics, but it is a mechanic. So they have a two-part stacking system. So wizards have 3, that's fire, ice, and thunder. Each one stacks independently. For the warriors, they have I want to see if I renamed it, because I think I renamed it. Player sprite animation, go to warrior. So we have Fury and Vengeance, and I'm probably gonna rename these. But they get Fury stacks by hitting enemies, the I hit you stack. And Vengeance is a stack they get when they get hit, or the I got hit stack. So there's the I hit you stack and the I got hit stack. Whenever they land an attack, they get a stack of Fury. Whenever they get hit, they get a stack of Vengeance. The Heavy Swing, which gives a Fury stack, super easy. If they have less than 3 of their Fury stack, they gain 1, and we show that visually. We give a damage value, we do a melee attack. Super duper easy. Provoke, we've already got this set up. Fellcleave is going to utilize both of these stacks. So Fellcleave is going to hit a number of times equal to their Fury stack, and it's going to do damage scaling based on their Vengeance stack. So the more times you hit, the more times Fellcleave is going to hit. The more times you get hit, the more damage Fellcleave is going to do per hit. So it's really interesting. I'm also probably going to rename Fellcleave because that's straight stolen from Final Fantasy XIV. But that's not the point. So what we have to do here before we can make Fellcleave work is we have to give them their Vengeance stack. Yes, they cap out at 3. That's right. So Fellcleave can hit a maximum of 3 times. And the damage scaling is going to change depending on if they have 0, 1, 2, or 3 hits, or 0, 1, 2, or 3 stacks. I still want it to do damage at 0, but it's going to do such little damage that it's not worth using. You want to use your provokes, keep your allies from getting hit, gain your Vengeance stacks, and then unload with your Fellcleave. So what we want to do with our on-hit function is actually right here at the end. Done. Wolby, you are too good. Hold on. Copy. Real quick, we're just gonna put a hashtag to do. I think it's hashtag to do. And then put add check for class to give Vengeance stack. Fantastic. Save that. Might work, might need scope update. Okay, so I copy this, go to Fally stuff, import from JSON. Now what is this? Okay, so get Twitch connection for Wolby. Can you do that? Oh, I'm sorry. You saved it as, oh, okay. I see what you did. I thought you were trying to load it from that. I didn't realize you were saving it into it. Perfect. Okay, so I actually kind of just want to have this commented section in my loaded script. So let's copy that. Y'all can't see this, I'm sorry. Okay, I don't like the way this was set up, but it's fine. Okay, so we'll put that in here. We'll run this button and we'll see what happens. So if I run this, and we wait. Okay, so control tab, globals, don't look. Okay, so I have my off, my ID, FalFan's off, FalFan's ID, perfect. Okay, so with that, we do a header. We can actually just kind of close this up. Okay. So we parse an object, authorization bearer, FalFan auth, client ID, Twitch client ID, and we access the API for announcement broadcaster. What does this do? Oh, okay, so there's the color. Okay. All right. So we would just copy these two, go into YouTube for Twitch chat, paste, and we don't need this one anymore, correct? What is this gonna give me? There's already a send announcement command and it will get the colors added to it. Probably just an okay response. Okay, hold on. All right, so this is YouTube to Twitch chat. We're gonna save this button here. I'm going to clear that out. Testing, testing, testing. Now what is this gonna do? Gotta wait for YouTube to send that information. Okay, we got our header and our response. Our response is bad request. Must provide valid content type header with request body. Okay, so it didn't like that. Oh, I don't want I make that go away. Okay. All right. Yeah, so yeah, that didn't do it. That's fine. That's fine. You need to tell Twitch that you're sending JSON encoded data. Okay. All right, we will get to that here in just a second. I think Wolby's gonna make a small modification. Okay. Content type. Okay, let's see here. YouTube to Twitch chat. Content type. Is that part of this JSON? Put a comma then that. Yeah, I figured. So, comma in the header. Got it. Oh, there's so many chat messages going by that it's actually moving where my cursor is. Paste. Okay. Save. And let's see what we can get. Testing, but again. I did put it in header. That's what you told me to do. You told me to put it in the. Oh, I'm an idiot.
Look.
I'm just an idiot. Okay, I understand. Thank you, Wolby. You're a kind god. All right. Oh, I copied that part with it anyway. All right. Save button. Check the variable window. Delete everything. Yeah, I am an idiot. Invalid array bad words in button 189. What is bad words? What is this? And the response is missing scope, moderator manage announcements. No. We're working on connecting the we're working on connecting the two chat messages of YouTube and Twitch together. So whenever we send a message on Okay, that's fine. Whenever we send a message on YouTube in the chat, it pops up in Twitch. And whenever we send a message on Twitch, it pops up in the YouTube chat. But I'm trying to make the YouTube message pop a little bit more because it's really hard for me to see it. Because Falinere Fantasy sends a lot of messages. But the problem now is that the scopes for Falinere Fantasy aren't right, which means I need to go to Twitch, log out, which is going to be amazing. Twitch.tv. Let me log out and log into FalFan. Log out. Log in. Because we need to get a... Yeah, that's actually the one I wanted. Thank you. Verification code. Let me go to the Gmails. Well, that doesn't work. Don't even sit here and tell me that works, because that doesn't work. Okay. So, Twitch connections, revoke token, edit scopes, all the things. Done. Open URL. Yes. Authorize. Okay. Now, we can close this. We can log out. It's how I don't believe you. Wolfie, I don't believe you. I don't believe that that's how that works. Falinere, log in. Thank you. Now we have an SMS code. Submit. And now I'm back in on my account. Fantastic. We might as well revoke my token and open the URL and connect me as well. There we go. All right, so now, yeah, I did. I unticked it for FalFan. We're good. Okay, so now let's go back in here. Let's YouTube to Twitch chat, check this out, and see what our response is when, close this, go to this. YouTube testing once again. I did not spell that right. I might need to restart. What is array bad words? Where is ID 189? Wolby, where is this? ID undefined. Oh no, you're right. You're right. You're 100% right, Wolby. That information is not valid anymore. Yeah, you're right. I'm sorry. I should never have doubted you, Wolby. That's not what I wanted. YouTube to Twitch chat.
Hey, look.
Hey, look. That is not how you spell that. I'm not good at typing. I'm gonna make a change. When Wolby gets a nice thing, I take it away. Response is forbidden. The user is not one of the broadcaster's moderators. Broadcaster ID is undefined.
Hey, look.
It's I don't know. Let's go over here and find out. Check the globals. I am on it. Globals. Don't look. No, that information is there. It only wants FalFans off though. Copy the variable.
Hope you like rainbows.
Oh, that's the variable value. That's not what I wanted. I wanted the. I do like rainbows. Go to don't look. Copy the path. You forgot the dot? Where? No, you didn't. Where? Oh, yeah, you did. I see it. I see it. You're right. You're right. I'm sorry. Okay, save. Open variable viewer. Empty it all out. Yeah, I see it. I'm sorry. Wolby is correct. Don't doubt. It might work now if you run that button. We're gonna find out. I need to find out what this is. Every time YouTube gets a message, it says ID 189 bad words. Okay, so oh, huh. And it's sent in as an announcement. Okay, so how do I change? I guess if I do this as the message. Paste. It will do what I want. Save button. Well, let's see. Please don't clip that, Wolby. All right, let's see what happens. Okay, that works. Now, what needs to happen is that this button needs to be queuable because it takes a long time. So I don't know how much of that delay is the button processing and how much of it is the YouTube delay. So I might actually need this button to be able to be queued. And I think we want to set this to not persist. That sounds correct. Yeah. We're turning off variable persist so that the queuing doesn't actually fuck with it. So that should work. So now, blah, d, blah. So now we should get 3 separate messages coming in as an announcement. Oh, that came in really fast as a bunch, as a group, if you will. Okay. All right. Well, we can officially say that we have a connection between YouTube and Twitch chat. All right. Good job. Good job, us. We did it. We fucking did it. All right. Now, is warrior lowercase when you join? I don't remember. Because we save it. The collective, okay? It was mainly Wolby, though. Wolby did it. I'm so proud of Wolby. I really am. You're great. I love you. Join battle. I think all the classes are lowercase. I think. We're gonna have to find out because now I need to know. I need to know if we're looking for lowercase or capitalization. So we're gonna just load this up really fast. I'm gonna switch to a warrior. Class warrior. And join. And this is gonna let me see in the remote tree for player 1. Classes, okay, so I need to be looking for lowercase. I'm very sorry, I'm about to actually kill this fight. We just killed it right there. I just needed to reference that little bit of information before we do some testing. So in the on hit section, we want to do a check right here. And we want to say if class double equals, let me move this out of my way so I can see, warrior. And we want to, you okay? Ames? Ames, you good? Sweetheart? I'm calling you and you're not responding and I'm getting scared.
I replied.
Oh, hi.
I'm just yelling at the cat.
Oh. Oh, okay. Like, it sounded like something happened and I was confused. Okay. All right, so if class is warrior, what we want to do is we want to take our class stack to, we're just going to essentially do this. I'm gonna go on hit. If class is warrior, if combat stacks 2 is less than 3, combat stacks 2 increases. So that's what we want. We can condense this, I think. And, ooh, not capitalizations though. And copy, paste. If this and this, then do this. Okay. If class is warrior and combat stacks 2 is less than 3, combat stacks stack 2 increase by 1. Fantastic. So that should give us our we got hit stack. Now, the only way we can test this is to get our ass beat. So it's time to test. All right, so I closed it. Now we're gonna open it right back up. Any of you can join, it's fine. I'm gonna be testing with the warrior, blah, 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 blah. Give it a second and hit join. I'm gonna be using Provoke to attempt to get hit, and I want to see that oh yeah, we should probably turn that deck off because we're not doing that right now. I have ideas for the tournament deck. I actually got some thinking done at work today about this, and I realized what I was doing wrong, so I have a fix for that. But yeah, so I'm going to be testing, 1, ensuring that Provoke works correctly, and 2, that getting hit by the enemy gives me that stack that I want. Finally multi-streaming, I see. Yes, I am, EasyBerry. Yes, I am. And I copied your idea, my friend. I did. I set it up both ways. And in fact, the YouTube chat to Twitch is an announcement, so I won't miss it. So I won't miss it. It's a slightly different colored announcement. I kind of don't like the orange. I'm thinking about doing literally any other color. But the orange looks too close. If I could do red, I would do that. I don't think I can do... Chat, can I do red? Hold on. Announce blue, green, orange, purple. It's just blue, green, orange, and purple. Fuck. Okay. Yeah, I need a better color, but yeah. So I took your idea and we did it. So now we have chat messages going between both, and I hopefully won't miss it. All right, so it's my turn. Let's do B space E1 so we can provoke. We got the provoke. Ignore the fact that it's a fireball. That's not the point. The way I avoided any confusion is to also relay a private Discord channel and use it for your chat. The game does not work both ways yet. Never was. Also ignore Sammy commands. That's fair. Yeah. Well, I'm choosing for it to ignore any exclamation messages to get moved over to the YouTube. Never was. We're working on getting YouTube integration for the game, but for now, the chat integration only works for Twitch stream. As far as Falinere Fantasy, I haven't worked on getting chat commands for my stream related stuff moved over to YouTube. It shouldn't be hard. It should be super easy, but yeah, that's what we're working on. Even the auto responses, like Sammy as a bot is ignored. Oh, okay, gotcha. Wait, who got the Master Ball? PT with the fucking Master Ball. That's wild. All right, Wolby, your turn.
Hey, look.
Yeah, no, we're working on that. It's a work in progress. I hate to say, but it's a work in progress. And then PT with the Ultra Ball upgrade. Are you kidding me? No, Wolby, I'm trying to get hit. Why would you bind him? Fucking druids, let me tell you. You try to get hit and druid's like, no, I'm gonna bind him. It's okay. Wolby, your second skill has a chance to bind the enemy, but doesn't do any damage. And I'm attempting to get hit, so please don't use your B skill. PT is actually, I don't know if I've officially stated this yet, but the reason why PT has the artist emote badge is because PT is the one that's doing the art design for our skill icons. So I'm really excited to get those in, because once we get those in, you'll have a better idea of what skills you're using and what they do. Easy says not through YouTube, but I don't know what you're saying not for. Can you rephrase your question? Okay, so the Treant lost a turn due to the bind, so we're going to B space E1 to attempt to get that provoke again. The provoke didn't go away. Hold on. That provoke should have gone away. Let's go to E1 node. Status effects. Provoke still has 1 turn left on it. Did I do that wrong? Who's the provoked player? Provoked player is still P1. Okay, that's weird. Maybe because you lost the turn, the provoke didn't go away. Interesting. Hold on. I mean, yes, but no? Process status effects. Hold on. Check enemy. Process status effects. If process status effects returns true, then we do our status effect countdown, and then we emit skill used. So process status effects. Affect damage, lose turn. If we do this, we do that. That's fine. We do on-hit damage. But processing status effect doesn't do anything. It's the status effect countdown that makes provoke go away. So for every effect in status, if status effect is greater than 0, we subtract it by 1. And if the effect becomes 0, why didn't we reduce the provoke status? Okay, I don't know why that didn't happen. It makes the chat very black with all of the command announcements. I wonder if you can cut back on seeing commands launched from the other channels. Oh, Hellraiser, if you can clarify on what you're saying, that would be helpful to me, because I'm not quite sure if I'm picking up which channel you're referring to. Never was. Which class skills we're working on tonight? Tonight we're working on the warrior. I'm trying to get provoke. We did the provoke Tuesday, and now we've made it to where when we get hit as the warrior, we get our second stack, and that's because we need both of their stacking mechanics for the warrior for their third skill. So we are confirming that the stacking mechanic is working for their I got hit stack, and then we can test their third skill and code it in. Yes, the Pokemon Twitch Purple commands are still Twitch only. That's because I haven't changed any of the stream commands to work through YouTube. We on this stream, we just got the integration between the two streams talking to each other. So we haven't done any of that other stuff yet. Like when Easy says catch, can we have FalFan not announce it? So Hellraiser, yes and no. We made it to where Twitch chats that start with an exclamation mark don't get sent to YouTube. The reason the YouTube message is coming over is because Easy's doing Pokemon commands there, even though it doesn't do anything. And it's coming back over to the side. I haven't made it not come back to this side yet, because again, we haven't coded any of the YouTube stuff in yet. So that's my fault. I haven't added it in yet. We can do that super fast. Wolby, it is your turn, but please don't use the Yeah, I just need to. It's 2 lines of code. It's not a bug. I just haven't done it yet. But once we do this part, it's 2 lines of code. I can move it over, and it's super easy. Okay, so PT, I don't know what class you are, so you can use any skill. I don't think it matters. Easy, how you doing, buddy? Good to see you. Okay, I don't know why that was off the screen. Okay, so he hit me. Okay, so I got my stack. So we know that the provoking is working now. Fantastic. I didn't hit the enemy, I hit the boss position. Wolby, that's because you used your C skill, which is an AoE. So you move to the center and you hit the AoE position, and it does an attack on every enemy. It just looked like the boss position. It's really, really close to it. Rock on, that's good. You're getting there with everything. It's great. It's a great little by little journey. It really is. Okay, so we got that working. I have my second stack. We got that working exactly like we wanted to. Now, the YouTube to Twitch chat, we're gonna do the same thing. We're gonna string clamp. I want both of these. Copy, save, paste. We'll get exclaim from the message. If the first thing of the YouTube message is an exclamation mark, then we don't even want to do the parsing array stuff. So save and save. You must have slow mode on YouTube. I'm struggling not seeing all the messages sending there. I don't think I have slow mode on. I don't know how that works. Exclamation mark catch from the YouTube channel should not send a message to the Twitch channel. Easy, I'm super not familiar with the YouTube streaming process. And also I'm streaming through Restream. So there are settings I would normally set up on YouTube when I'm setting up the stream that I don't have the ability to do because we're going through Restream. Okay, now fortunately, the message from the YouTube chat starting with a command did not go to the Twitch chat, so we got that working. Fantastic. I've heard that there's an OBS plugin that works better, but your computer has to do all the broadcast sending, and it eats up a lot of CPU and GPU, so I haven't tried it yet. This week has been a testing new stuff kind of week. I'm not against trying the OBS plugin. I haven't done that part yet. It's on my very, very long list of things to do. Wolby would know. Okay. So now, yes, thank you, Wolby. It's all in the tweaking. Yeah, it's all in the tweaking. Thank you, PT, for showing my list of 33